Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're tackling a classic tech question. What's the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste? If you've ever wondered why there are two options and when to use each, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. We're going to start with copy and paste. When you copy something, you're essentially making a duplicate of the selected item, whether it's a text, image, or a file. The original stays right where it is, and you can paste the duplicate somewhere else. Think of it like taking a photo of a document. The document doesn't move, but now you have an extra copy to share or use. How do you copy and paste? Oh, that's a good question. Thanks for asking. You're going to highlight the text or select the file you want to copy. In this example, I have a test document here. You're going to right click it and choose copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Control-C. In this example, I'm just going to stay here on the desktop and use copy and paste for simplicity's sake. So we're going to right click over here and select paste or Control-V. And as you can see, it just makes a duplicate of the original document. The original document is still there. This is perfect for when you want the same content in multiple places. Now let's talk about cut and paste. When you cut something, you're removing it from its original location and moving it to a new one. It's like cutting a piece of paper out of a notebook and taping it into another notebook. The original is gone, and now it's in a new home. So how do you cut and paste? We're going to select the file that we used earlier. We're going to right click it. We're going to choose cut or use the keyboard shortcut Control-X. And we're going to go to the same location like we did last time here on the desktop. And we're going to right click and choose paste or Control-V. See how the original file is now gone? And now it's in its new place, or its new home. This is great for if you want to move files or folders around. You can just cut them and paste them in the new spot. But just be careful not to lose track of where you're pasting it. It's kind of like moving your car keys to a new spot in the house and forgetting where you put them. Here's a quick recap of the main differences. Copy and paste duplicates the content. The original stays in place. Cut and paste moves the content. The original is removed from its initial location. Think of copy as cloning and cut as relocating. Both are incredibly useful, but knowing when to use each can save you a lot of time and effort. And that's it. Now you know the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Whether you're organizing files, editing a document, or sharing photos, these tools are essential for everyday computer use. Remember, with great copy pasting power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.